are making a homemade pizza. Pizza pan.
And use olive oil.
Some olive oil. Just so it won't stick. Yes, I have already washed my hands, in case any of you want to know. I like playing in olive oil.
She said homemade, but she's got a pre-made crust.
Okay, so I've got a pre-made crust. Tonight we're cheating. Kaplunk. Why do they make these things square when pizza's are round?
I don't know.
I don't know either, but go round it about. And you're going to want a little bit of olive oil, come on out, on your crust. Make sure you cover the entire surface of the crust. And washing again. Next,
Sauce.
have you seen the sauce?
Get out!
Kitty intrusion! We have a kitty intrusion, a kitty intrusion. Next, I'm going to get the sauce. Spread that around on the pizza. We have a bread machine that we like to use just to make the crust, but we were running a little bit behind schedule tonight, so when that happens we will cheat and use a ready-made crust, or if we decide at the last minute we want a pizza, we'll do that as well. That will happen around here because we do love a fresh pizza from the oven, and just can't seem to get a decent pizza in this area. And once you've lived in areas where you can get good pizza, which Kent and I both have, you just don't want to settle for anything else. I think I need a bigger pizza stone. Lots and lots of mozzarella cheese. Lots of cheese. I hear you over there, Kitty. Okay, sometimes I'll just roll that up in the cheese to get it off the side of the pan. Dump the rest of that cheese on there. Got complaining kitties over here. And they're not hungry. They just think if I'm doing something with food that they should be getting something. I don't know where they got that idea. They don't like pepperoni. They'll eat cheese every once in a while. Thank you. I usually suffocate this pizza with pepperoni, but I failed to pick up any at the last time I went to the grocery store. So it's not going to have as much as usual, but that's okay. It's going to be good anyway. You add your pepperoni last so that it can bake and get crispy. When you can find the pepperoni that cups, that's your best pizza pepperoni. This, unfortunately, is not that, because you can't always find it in your local grocery.
I think they got it, and we'll come back when it's done.
Okay, I've got it all prepped. We're going to throw this in the oven, and we'll be right back as soon as it's done. this is our finished product. As you can see, it is nice and brown where it should be, and juicy, and
Juicy.
the pepperoni is perfectly cooked. The cheese is just right. We can't wait to cut into this. So we're probably going to cut this out right here. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe please, and come back for more of Cruising with the Clarks. See you soon.